in this picture? Yes? Hello, guy. You can follow me? Yes? Alright. I need a big smile. Okay? 1, 2, and 3. Aruba Riba! Peace sign, happy picture. And my friend, if you see this picture, you are 1, 2, 3, 4, and a big face, you are smiling with you. Oh, yeah, I see it. Yeah. Big face. Awesome. Come on this side for me. Yes? You want a picture? Yeah. This is my new family. You see them? Yeah. Alright, stand right there. Yeah. Nice blue. Alright, 1, 2, and 3. Aruba Riba! And my friend, if you see the picture, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the big face, so are smiling with you. The 2 eyes, the nose, the mouth, the big face. Okay, my friend, for all together, my friend, this cave, first time here, this cave used to be a church. And my friend, that is the reason that I work here. I come from the military. I try to work in the office. That is not my job. I am too rough. I have goats. I love to kill goats to eat. That is my grandmother teach us about it. My friends, this cave normally a lot of people was coming here to marry here inside. People coming here still to pray here in. My friends, one more thing is the name from the Incas was the Caicquetillos. The language that the Incas was speaking is Aruba, and the big leader is the shaman. And I have some paintings. I know what the paintings mean. I'm gonna tell you a little bit about it. You can take picture with flash. It's okay. One thing is, please, you don't can touch now. All right, my friend. If you see right here, we have one door there. Yeah, you see like the spot and a half there. Yes, one there, one over there, one there. That's all the doors for the bats can go out. All right, like 7 o'clock, all the bats going outside. My friend, I do recommend you to come in the park in the night time. We have the red snakes. More baby it is, more danger it is, more bigger it is, you have lucky to live. Okay? Because you have 45 minutes to get to the hospital. My friend, all this rock are limestone with fossil and with mineral. If you turn around here, my friend, everything that you can see in the green color is the moss who stayed from the water. You got it? Let's go in.
I guess I didn't know it was going to be like this. I thought it was going to be
A little shorty.
Come in this side.
What do we see here? You go, little girl. Look good.
It's like a lion.
But much closer.
Hi, China. So what?
I want to hear it. What do we see here? Look. I hear dinosaur, I hear lion, but what does look more like?
Dinosaur.
No, look good, look good.
Buffalo maybe?
Buffalo.
Yeah, buffalo.
That's I want to hear. Buffalo. Because it's more look like a buffalo
You can see
than
the head
anything
too.
else. Alright? And also inside the buffalo, hear this. You hear that? It's hollow because it's full of calcium carbonate. That's what we hear. And also you can see it. Huh? Look here. Look how beautiful it is. Look how smart is that, right? Yeah, this is also calcium carbonate. You see, now guys, look down. Look this. You see this nice formation here? Look another one right here. You see that? And now look all of them over there. What do we see?
Seeming water line.
Waterline, amigo, like the wave. right? Like waterline, and up here, you see the waterline. This is the real waterline, and down, we see like a wave. Up here, we see this, the bone shell, seashell. See that? Seashell, all the top here. So here you can see that it's like the water. Okay? And the pushing up, like the zero. It wasn't the very high. That's why we get off
Friend, the Incas was only like 1 meter 5, 1 meter 6. Right here, we can see that the beetle, yes, the beetle with 2 baby hands behind it. The beetle needs something for the chief. This beetle